guys, it's your boy. Welcome back to the channel. As I expected, gloves ain't happening. There are none in the Czech Republic, so I'm waiting for them to be shipped from, I don't know, Italy maybe? I don't care actually if it's Italy, France, Spain, US or whatever. I don't care. I just want my new glove. That's it. I was kinda afraid that this is going to happen, and it's there. Well, nothing I can do about that. I'm just sit and wait patiently for my gloves. But what sucks is I've paid it already. So yeah, that's kind of fun. And you don't have the cash and don't have the goods. But I guess that's life. I hope it's good. Damn, I hope these gloves are going to fit my hand. Because, man, if not, that would mean like another week or two, or I don't know, month waiting for my gloves to use. Well, fuck that. I don't like that. So they have to fit. They have to fit perfectly, and that's how it's going to be. Oh, these guys having Nuda. Oh, that's nice. Dang, man, I would love to have one of those. It's gonna be so much fun, so much fun. Serious bike. And it's pretty too. I mean, you either love it or hate it. That's it. It's not something in between. It's one or the other. So yeah, that was a quick update on the glove situation that's going on around, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna just follow these guys and see what they are up to, maybe have a little chat. So take care, ride safe, and peace.